In this session, we will learn about the measures of central tendency. So what is central tendency? A central tendency in statistics, a central tendency or the measures of central tendency is a central or typical value for a probability distribution. It may also be called a center or location of the distribution. So in this session, we will learn about the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, quartiles, like lower quartiles, Q1, upper quartile, interquartile, and semi-interquartile range. So what we'll do, we'll import a library, import statistics and the numpy library. We'll execute it. Now we'll create one list of around 10 observations from 0 to 9. And now we will do in Python how we'll calculate the mean. So mean is nothing but sum of all the numbers divided by the total number of observation. So st.mean, and then we pass the argument. So mean is 4.5. Now how do we calculate the median? st.median, and then again, so the median is 4.5 again. 4.5, why? Because in this case their total number of observation is 10. So if the number of the observation is 10, then the middle value will be 4 and 5, and again this average of 4 and 5 will be 4.5. Now what if we want to get the low median? Like in this case the output should be 4, answer should be 4. Yeah, see, the answer is 4. Again, if you want to calculate median high, give x. So as per this, the median is 5. Now suppose if we want to calculate the mode, st.mode, yeah, it will throw an error because all the observation of the number is ones. So suppose if we add one more number here and execute it, and now we execute this, because 4 is repeated twice, that's why the mode value is 4. Now we'll delete this. Now if we want to calculate the standard deviation, then we will calculate it like st.std of x. So the standard deviation value is 3.02. Now, but what is standard deviation? Standard deviation is a measure that is used to quantify the amount of variation or dispersion of a set of data value. And then if you want to calculate the variance, then st.var variance of x. So this is the variance. Again, what is variance? Variation is nothing but the variation of the values from the mean of the actual value. Now if we want to calculate the median of the lower half of a set, which is like the first quartile, we will say Q1 is equals to np.percentile x comma np.arange 0, 100, 25. So if we print x1 Q1, the lower quartile, so this is the lower quartile. Now if you want to get the upper quartile Q3, which is equals to np.percentile x comma np.arange 0, 100, the upper quartile is 75, and we will execute this. if we run this Q3. So this is the way how we will calculate the mean, median, standard deviation and the quartiles. The interquartile range will be calculated as the Q3 minus Q1, and the semi-interquartile range will be calculated as Q3 minus Q1, which will be divided by 2. And so thanks a lot for viewing the session. If you feel this video is helpful, please comment and press the like button, and also subscribe to this channel. Also, if you want me to cover any other topic, please post in the comment section. Thank you.